These are super amazing bacon wrapped stuffed smoked burgers.
Whoa, it's a beauty.
Imagine a world where you don't only have bacon on top of your burger, you have a burger that's been smoked and the bacon is all around the burger. Well, that's exactly what we're doing today, and it is actually that dramatic because it tastes so freaking good. So we're gonna get some ingredients and we're gonna go smoke bacon wrapped burgers. And wait, not only that, there's gonna be cheese inside the burger. Seriously, let's do it. All right, so the first thing that you do is you prepare your ground beef burger patties for smoking. So you can make them yourself with some salt and pepper. You can get all the exact ingredients at sipbitego.com. So make your own or start with ones that have already been made, but that might be a little harder to put the cheddar cheese inside. What I did here is I sliced up some cheddar cheese slices, but you could also use some shredded cheddar cheese, and made half-pound burgers, but made little quarter-pound tops and bottoms and stuck the cheese right in the middle. So these actually do make pretty massive, huge smoked burgers that are half pounds, 8 ounces, plus the smoked cheese inside. All right, so you need to prepare a bacon weave, which is how you're gonna wrap bacon around the burger. So just do some over and under action and then put your cheese stuffed hamburger patty inside the bacon and go around and pull the edges of the bacon to the center and secure them with a toothpick. If you want, you might have just fine luck with them sticking together because the bacon is sticky. Smoke your bacon wrapped burgers at 250 degrees Fahrenheit until the internal temperature reaches 140 degrees Fahrenheit. It'll take about an hour to an hour and a half. And if you're like me, I like the bacon to be more crispy, especially on the bottom where the bacon overlaps. It doesn't cook really well done in the smoker. So after they're done smoking on the Traeger, I usually put them in a cast iron skillet just to crisp up that bacon on the bottom. And then it's time to make your delicious burgers with some buns. Do whatever you want. These are kind of known as like Juicy Lucy burgers as well. All right, you can get all the directions on Sip Bite Go. And until next time, I hope that you have a wonderful and delicious day. There's kind of no beautiful way to eat these burgers because they're so freaking big. They'd be really good as sliders smoked as well. Cheers!